Okay, so in this lesson, we're looking at arithmetic sequence application. So this is when we're going to give you maybe a scenario and you've got to try and work out what the sequence is. So when you have to find the nth term, so what that means is we're trying to give you a general formula that you could use to find, say I gave you what's the 20th term. So 20th term would mean, the 20th term would mean you're trying to find T20, okay? So that's an example of what it means. So when you've got an arithmetic sequence, it follows this formula. So you always can, so say I said find term 100 and I gave you term 1. Do you really want to sit there in your calculator going type, enter, 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 enter? We don't want to. That's going to take too long, isn't it? So this is a way you can find it. So first you need to know what your first one was. So say here, so this would have been the first term you got given. So sometimes we just call that T1. Then you're going to add, now whatever one you wanted. So say we said this was T20 and say we said T1 was 2. You would have 2 equals, 2 plus, now n is 20, so you'd be 20 minus 1 times the difference, and say we said the difference was, 3. I just made that up. Okay, so into your calculator, what you'd have be typing was like that. Okay? I just made it up. I just made that on. So if we look at this one, it says find T30, the 30th term, if in an arithmetic sequence here. So can you see they've given me A. That's A because that's the first term I've been given. Yeah? And let's say we need to work out the difference. So what's the difference? We can do, I might just use this one. So I'm going to say 15 minus 18. So the difference is -3. So I want to find T30. So my formula says to put A, which is 21, plus 30 minus 1 times the difference, which is -3. So really what I'm going to have is 21 plus 29 times -3, which is going to equal -66. Okay?